So sometimes in JavaScript, you might have an array and you want to be able to access the different elements of the array. So for an example right here, we have an array of 2 elements. And let's say you wanted to grab both of these elements and put them in separate variables, right? So one way you can do this is simply by just taking index 0 of state and putting it into a variable, and then also taking index 1 of state and putting it into the variable. There's actually a cleaner way to do this by using something called array destructuring. So instead of doing these 2 lines here, what you can actually do is put both of these on the same line and destructure the actual array like this. So now you can actually get index 0 and put it directly into a variable called value, and then get index 1 and put it directly into a variable called fn. And we actually see this a lot all the time in React, which is why it's good to understand what array destructuring is actually doing. Imagine you have a useState hook, which is like this. And we actually, on the left-hand side, we typically say like count and set count. So if you use React, you might have seen this in the past. This is kind of what's going on behind the scenes.